how to use Amazon employee discount on Amazon. So if you want to use Amazon employee discount on your Amazon, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser, and on your browser, you need to search for Amazon and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, you need to just simply go and select any product that you would like to buy. Like, for example, I'll go with this one. Select the product. After selecting your product, you need to go with add to cart, which will be on the right side. And then you need to go with your cart section. Now, once you're on your cart, you need to select the item. And then again, go with proceed to checkout, which will be on the right side. And here on the payment page, look for the option to enter a gift card, voucher, or promotional code. And then type in your Amazon employee discount code carefully and click on apply. The discount should reflect in your total price. If you don't have your code yet, then visit the Amazon A2Z website designed for employees. Sign up if needed to get your discount code. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.